National Freshwater Fishing Champion and member of the Fishing Hall of Fame. Brought to you in part by these fine companies: Ranger Boats, Bass Pro Shop, Berkeley & Company, Dolphin Hydrofoil Marine Products, Johnson Outboard, Magic Bait, Sweet Angie Bluegill and Birch Bait, Bill Lewis Rattle Trap Lures, Bright Strike Lures, Zepco Quantum Reels, Motor Guide, Laser Tail Lures. And now, here's Virgil.
I'm not Virgil Ward, folks, but thanks for tuning in. I'll tell you, we've got another great championship motor show here today with a beautiful little 1947 Neptune Mite 1.7 horsepower model AA1. Well, this little motor here, it's a beautiful motor. It was made by the Muncie Gear Works in Muncie, Indiana. The Neptune motor, isn't that a little beauty? 1 7/10 horsepower. And man, I'll tell you, it about breaks your neck when it takes off with you. That doesn't quite do that much. Say a week ago, a bunch of phonies did a spoof on our show here. But I said, this is pretty serious business when you get these outboard motors, I'll tell you. Boy, and say, we just collected one more beautiful little 7.5 horse Scott Atwater motor. We haven't got it yet, but it's on its way. Well, what a beauty, can't wait to look at it. And it has got the automatic baler on it too, which is really cool. But this motor's good, and you know, we're celebrating, and this will be the last show of the fall. Some of you guys will probably say, oof, thank goodness this guy's off the thing. But anyway, here's well, hi, there's the folks over there. A couple of Muslim gals, I think. They got hoods on their head. Anyway, we'll try this baby out here, Chris, and see how she goes. Now watch when this has got the manual job, so yeah, here we go. Oh, I'm sorry, folks. Well, give her one more crack here. We gotta roll that baby up here.
Push that button down a few times on the carburetor. No, on the carburetor. Right there. That's a priming.
Okay, here we go. Oh, nerds. Well, this thing just ran like $1 million.
Think you need me to start it?
Well, I just...
Here, we'll pause this for a second.
We're back at it again, folks.
Now we're back at it. There we go.
Now we're back at it. Here we go. There we go. Listen to that, You wouldn't win any speed records with this baby, but I'll tell you, it sure burns like a kitten. 1947 and 63 years old. Woo! That's about as old as I am. There you go. There, how about that? Listen to that baby. Boy, is that it'll pick him up and lay him down. Think how those people were 63 years ago making these little engines and alive, they're built like the rocket Gibraltar. I'll tell you, just like that, the spoof they had last week, there's no Japanese things in this motor. All USA, American made. But, and then we go back to our OMC Everett and Johnson. You know, they're wonderful engines. They're wonderful engines. God bless America and our OMC. I mean, they're wonderful. Good too. But anyway, we're proud to have the whole family. Except my wife here again. Got my grandson Charlie. Hey, Charlie. Hey. Yep. And we got my daughter Mary. She kind of takes care of and but turn on yourself there for a minute, Chris. There he is. Okay. And what do we have we enjoy today? Take off the top. That's Wine and Tubo Oktoberfest. You think the summer shandy beer was good? It wouldn't even compare to the Oktoberfest. Good beer, got a lot of body to it, and we love it all. We love you folks. This little motor here is a honey. And there's the folks over there. Hi, folks. Don't run over there. So,
What's that there?
it's that
What's this here?
And as Virtual Ward would say, folks, God bless you. We'll see you next spring because this beautiful Clear Lake will be heading out. It's rough here today too. But God bless you and good fishing to you.